everybody. Welcome back to Copilot Your Holiday series. And this is episode 2. And in today's episode, we're first going to talk about what happened in episode 1. So, hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. And as promised, Saurabh has shared his Copilot inspired Thanksgiving meals picture. So, thank you for doing that, Saurabh. And yeah, look at it. It looks really yum and very dietary friendly and everything that Copilot said. So, hope, so there, Copilot came to rescue.
It was delicious.
It was delicious. There you've spoken. So, yeah, thank you for that. And now let's see what we have in stock for today. So it's the month of December, and the holiday season with the Copilot. What is Copilot magic that's brought? You know what magic is Copilot sprinkling this holiday season? So, Michael, you are our new guest this series. This is a series, 4-part series, and tell us how do you think we can use Copilot this holiday season?
Yeah, thanks, Maria. I think it's important to have fun over the holiday. So let's and during the Christmas and holiday season, we usually have parties and stuff like that. So let's see how we can have a little fun with Copilot. So one of the things that I often find myself in is kind of white elephant gifts. And so I think Copilot is actually a really cool way. I am not very creative, but Copilot is much more creative than me. So we can put in a really cool prompt like you guys see here to help Copilot kind of generate some ideas can do for some white elephant gifts. And putting that prompt like influence of this, or keep it under $25, play with your prompt a little bit, but you can use Copilot to have some really fun ways of approaching some really things that I would never think about.
Yeah, pickle-flavored lip balm, mini waffle maker shaped like dinosaur. Seems like it's for all age groups and pretty cool gift ideas and funny quotes. Oh, well, we got to get a link to these two as well. I mean, so many gift ideas, and Copilot's asking if you want more gift ideas in here. That's pretty cool. Yeah.
I saw the world's okayest mug. So do this early, because if you see something cool, then you got to go to Amazon and try to find it. So that's a custom thing there. But I would love a world's okayest coworker. That'd be awesome.
Yeah. Yep. That's a good one too. Yeah. What else?
And then the next thing we do, so we got our white elephants gifts. Now maybe I'm the office admin and I need to figure out how to structure a holiday party. So Copilot's really good at helping us structure data and generate ideas. So we can put in a prompt here. We'll put this in the blog for you, but Copilot can help us structure a office holiday party. So in this prompt, I have things like help me generate ideas, budgets, food plans and everything. So as Maria kind of scrolls down, you kind of see like it really helps us generate all this stuff. And it's not an end all be all, but it helps us build that foundation of things that I probably need to think about as a holiday party, and kind of gets us like, that's 50 to 60% way there. And now we can just kind of customize it to what we feel is best for the office. But it gives us that kind of foundation to kind of build and start planning right away.
Wow,
and
look at that.
Thing about these prompts, like we talked about in our previous blog as well, is this can be run in both versions of Copilot, not only in M365 paid Copilot, but also your Copilot chat, which is unlicensed. So
yeah. And Maria ran these in the free Copilot chat, the website, which means that if you don't have a Copilot license, you can still run this. So go and use Copilot. It's your friend, it's your assistant, and can generate a lot of cool stuff.
Yeah, thanks. That's pretty cool. Like it even generated a whole email template that we can use to get started. So yeah, a lot of fun gift ideas, and really want me to start planning our team's next virtual holiday party. So yeah.
And I think what follows these parties or events also, as we run into the end of the year, our employee service, right? So after you've done with these parties, you want to get feedback of how it was and maybe create or maybe do some improvements for the following year, right? So I think that's where we can use Analyst Agent to kind of, once you've gotten that feedback, obviously you can use this Analyst Agent that we have to analyze all that feedback that you've got and get some really nice insight. So here's, we've created some sample data of what our feedback kind of looks like. And Marian is running a neat little prompt here that will run through this large data set, and it will give you really meaningful and actionable insight of what you can do with the information, with the feedback that you've got.
Yeah, and sort of, as you know, Analyst Agent, it's doing some deep thinking and insights that it needs to pull from. So I ran this ahead of time, so maybe we can just show everybody the reasoning that it's used, the models. Analyst Agent specializes in using models specific for analytic structured data analysis. So you that's Microsoft's first-party agent that you have access to as part of your paid M365 license. So it shows you what is the what's the thinking process and any visualizations that you asked for, and it gives you some additional insights. So yeah, that's a good one, Saurabh. From all the fun, some work related use of Copilot as well. And I know we've have end of the year a lot of surveys, like you said. So I think this is a neat way of using your Copilot license and agents in Copilot to explore some things that you can do this holiday season.
So
Yeah.
that was our session for today. I hope you enjoyed the work or from holiday to work prompts, and we will be back next week with some more creative and new stuff to share. Thanks for joining.
Thanks, team.